Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Thought it would be a really good time to have a talk about safety. So this place is generally very unsafe for the average person, including myself. It's pretty cluttered, there's a lot of crap around. It's really hard to get anything done without doing something where I bang into something. There's just too much crap in a too small a space. Now I want to talk about something that just happened. And this is why I'm having this little talk right now, because bad things happen for the weirdest damn reasons. I was just welding here, welding a little handrail right here. And what I did, I'm in a metal box, big metal container, and being lazy, I put the ground on the outside of the machine so I don't have to drag it in here because it was kind of getting hung up under my door and stuff. And because it's a metal building, the current is going through the floor to this leg and up through the table, and that's okay. You got to remember, you're actually standing on the thing that could complete the circuit, and that's not safe at all and highly advised not to do that. And I have this propane heater going right here. Seems to be working just fine at the moment, which is really odd to me because I just struck an arc on here, welding that on, but the circuit was completed not through there to down there to this metal thing through there out the ground clamp that's attached to the wall. Instead, it decided to go this way along here, and I guess down through the table at that point. And then it went through this metal, I don't even know how it got through the plastic, but this plastic coated metal line, which happens to be going to the propane can to my propane heater. I was just so damn impressed that I didn't even bother to turn the can off. I have this interesting propane flame happening now. I'm afraid to even touch the line, so if I pull it away it may do something. What's crazy is the heater's still going just fine, and it's really cold. So what would you do? I guess I'm just gonna turn the can off, right? I mean, that's what I'm gonna do. I won't have any heat, but it's not too bad. It's not very warm in here anyway, so yeah, imagine. That's the craziest damn thing. And this is why, I've been a welder for 30 years. They always tell you, put your ground as close as you can to what you're working on. And there's a reason for it. Like when you're working on a car, you don't put a ground on the trailer hitch and then work on the front bumper, because you never know where the arc's going to travel to get to where it wants to go. It could go right through your piston cylinders and through your crankcase. You know what I mean? It could go through the gas tank. It could, if you're welding on anything like this, it could decide to go through a propane line. That just blows my damn mind. Guess I better deal with it. This is the way you deal with it, right here. So you take your line or your tank and just turn it off very carefully. Shut her down. It may want to backfeed, so you best off blowing it out so flame doesn't burn back. You don't want burn back. Flame will go in the line. But if it's extinguished before that happens, then you're probably okay. So yeah, some crazy shit. Alright, I gotta get back to my railing.